I'm Elysse Jinkens with Network Global at the Lake of the Ozarks, and this is my new listing, 219 Indian Park Road. Let's take a look. As we head inside, the first thing you'll notice out here is just how peaceful it is. We are sitting on 8 beautiful private acres right here in Sunrise Beach. Usually, when you get this kind of space and countryside privacy, you have to sacrifice convenience, but not here. You're on completely paved roads and situated just 5 minutes away from grocery stores and local conveniences in town. It is truly the absolute best of both worlds. Stepping onto the main level, you're greeted by an incredibly bright and open living area. This space is anchored by a gorgeous classic white brick fireplace, perfect for those Missouri evenings. Right off the main room, it flows seamlessly into the dining area and a modern kitchen that boasts tons of storage for the chef of the family. Plus, you'll notice how crisp and bright the natural light is throughout the house. This home features a fantastic split level layout with a total of 5 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, offering plenty of space for a growing family, hosting guests, or setting up a dedicated home office. And the structural updates give you a total peace of mind. The home is also equipped with a state-of-the-art reverse osmosis system for the private well, meaning top-tier water quality is already built right in. With 8 acres of total privacy, 5 bedrooms, and a location just minutes from everything that the Lake of the Ozarks has to offer, 219 Indian Park Road is ready for its next chapter. I would love to show you this property in person. Give me a call anytime or send me a message today to schedule your private tour. Thanks for making it all the way to the end, and I'll see you on the next one.